think Fred has a date. Look at him, he's getting all primpied up. Isn't that neat the way he does that? Get away from me, bug. And now he's gonna go up on the shore. Flap his little wings. And waddle on down to where the other gooses are. See? They're over there. Maybe there's a girl over there. He's gonna go see. Look how nice the pavilion looks. I went and got the weed whacker thing and whacked all along here, all the way down there, all the way to where the little gooses are. And then I raked those two piles of leaves. So it looks beautiful here when Frankie gets here. And that's it. It's just another day in paradise. I was shopping this morning and got a bunch of good stuff. And over here we have the truck. It is so happy down here by the water. It's not very far. See, the little boats right here. All the fish are right down here. They've been eating for a while, so they're probably full. They make a lot of noise. Anyway, that's it. Frankie will be here in 2 days. Not tomorrow, but the next day. Fun, fun, fun. You want to see the fishes on this side? Can you see them? See all the fishies down there? Maybe not. Anyway, that's it. Goodbye from paradise. Bye.